Good morning people, this is Amal Bharati from Unscripted Diaries. My vlog is all about exploring different charter bases, and I will give you reviews on how they match up with each other. Right now we are at Bellingham. One thing to note is Bellingham is about 2 to 3 hours from Seattle, and this was one mistake that I made. Assuming that I could make it in 3 hours, I took a light rail from the airport to Chinatown. And then took a bus from Chinatown to Bellingham and Ubered to the marina. This took me a whole day from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. I would rather have flown in direct, which would have cost me like $70 more. We picked the right season, end of summer, beginning of fall, and the weather held up during our entire trip.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Before we started, we drove to Bellingham for shopping and provisioning the yacht.
I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest.
Felt so outside of what everything else was on.
Come on, bro. Trying to focus. I wanted to get a camera. I'm planning to get this Canon 740 HS camera, which is good in zooming so that I can film whales, but then I couldn't shop in the last minute, because of a tight schedule. And I asked one of the marine people at the marina what's the best place to shop, and they said Best Buy is your best bet. That's what they said. Juan Sailing gave us charter briefing. One thing I learned from the briefing was to watch out for the rocks and current, for which their charts and tables were very helpful for planning the navigation. Other things to watch out for are the floating logs and fog. Once we planned our navigation, we were off. My helm didn't lock, hence at close quarters, I wanted someone to ensure the rudder stayed straight. As you can see, people in the water, you see the current? You see this? Okay, which one is it?
6.
Number 6?
Yes.
Page 6, you mean?
Yes. Page 6. Keep going. There you go.
Okay, so we come across here, and then we go all the way here. We see this buoy here. We are not going to go around this buoy, but we are cutting right between this buoy and this point. But we gave at least 100 yards away from this point, and then we cut it through. So this is the shipping lane, as you can see. We're cutting through straight through the shipping lane. We can go either underneath here, around this island, or over this island. But here's this green thing here is the place we're going to anchor tonight. Okay. But because we are late, there's a high chance that this can be crowded, and they'll give us the depth.
At that.
So we can look at anchoring here or anchoring here. Okay.
But
That's a
this
windy.
is not good for the wind that we
Yeah,
have,
the best one is here,
'cause the wind's
and that's
coming.
supposed to be really nice. So it's either that's you,
Here or here. We
that's you,
already analyzed.
A, B, and C.
Okay. You see, right now the helm is locked. It is not locked, but it is there. Okay. You see here, please. Are you seeing here? See, if it goes any further this way, red means it's on the port side. Green means it's turned on the starboard side. I don't want that. I want it straight here.
Okay. So you want
Okay,
this
I
stuff.
want you to hold this steady.
Okay.
Always steady. It is going to rotate a lot. Do not let it